You got XRP, XLM, HBAR, Algorand. Some people like Quant. I don't know about Quant. A lot of people hold Bitcoin. We got people with Solana, Ethereum, a lot of the blue chips, right? Things with larger market caps that hopefully have staying power. We'll see what happens with Tether. You know, I hadn't talked about that a little bit. They've been a little quiet, which is interesting to me. But I do think we are going to get some stable coins here in the near future to get rolled out. And we are, again, these structured products and streamlining systems to be able to launch ETFs. I think that'll be a big deal, because as long as you're meeting those standards, you'll get to see, you know, people launch probably Hedera ETFs will go live very quickly. XLM, I expect not too long in the future. Chainlink, many things. You know, Hedera has a few that have been proposed, but there's a lot of assets that I think are valuable. XDC that just haven't had any ETFs or interest on them. And the other cool part about a lot of these networks is if they have some type of native staking mechanism, that could be used to pay distributions to the investors in those ETFs, which is a big deal. Most ETFs don't pay any type of return or distribution. It's just upside on them, right? And maybe you have some type of indexed ETF that has multiple assets producing income through staking rewards and other mechanisms, and that then pays you a really nice return, or a blended return, so that you have, you know, diversification across the asset class, income or cash flow, and if it's, you know, listed, maybe you can draw a margin against it. So, you know, I've talked about this in the past and I have videos on it, but my three main things that I look at for investing: 1, real ROI, does better than inflation; 2, cash flow of some kind; and 3, the ability to borrow against it or draw margin against it.